Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin chaired a crucial meeting with DMK MPs to finalize strategy for the upcoming winter session of the parliament. They would raise issues including the plea to increase the moisture content limit for paddy procurement and the denial of metro rail projects for Madurai and Coimbatore. The central government had recently rejected the state government's plea to relax paddy moisture norm by 5%. The Union Housing Ministry rejected proposals to build metro rail systems in Coimbatore and Madurai. Lok Sabha MP Kanimozhi Karunanidhi and Rajya Sabha MP Tiruchi Shiva explained the decisions taken in the meeting.
With the moisture content, we've requested, the Chief Minister has requested that they have to raise the moisture content, acceptable moisture content in the rice, because we have been affected by floods and rain. The Union government has not responded as yet. They even sent a team to inspect it, but there's no outcome till today. There are many issues like this which has to be raised. Money which has to come to the state for education and also for the Narega. So all this is pending. So there are many issues which have to be raised, and we've discussed it with the CM, and we will follow his instructions in Parliament and take it ahead.
Will it become an issue, metro for Coimbatore and Madurai?
Of course, that is a very important concern as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned, because they have given metros to Agra and other cities which don't have such a high population. We have a huge floating population in Coimbatore and Madurai, and in spite of that, the Union government has denied us metro trains. So CM has requested that they have to reconsider it, and we will raise it. Thank you.
And, as per the resolutions passed and the directions given by our leader to to implement the resolutions, we will be performing in the Parliament.
Also, FIR issue will be taken.
We have mentioned everything. All those things are in the resolution. Around 12 resolutions have been passed, and we have been assigned to carry forward those resolutions. There are many, of course, like the moist in paddy and metro that we have been deprived of Madurai and Coimbatore, and expansion of the airports in Coimbatore and Madurai to be an international airport. These are all main, and that Tamil Nadu is being victimized by the Union government in every of its activities. Even the Finance Commission recommendation for deviating the revenue share is not properly given, and this Sarva Shiksha for education is also withheld for quite a long time. So all these things we have to insist that it's our responsibility to raise the state's issues.
Was there any particular restriction from?
Of course, only the resolutions to be followed, and that we have to raise voice based on that.
One side, DMK is on a legal way battle.
Of course, that is also a part of our, of course, duty of a political party. We resort to all means, legislature, we raise our voice, and judiciary we resort, and many things we have got some resolve the issues by way of going to the court only. So both the things we are doing it. We are trying through all the means.